Hello and welcome back. Let's continue our play of Kynseed. I don't remember where I stopped. It's been 2 days. A lot of thunderstorms and everything else. Let's see what Uncle has me to do today. Okay, I'm going to click this. Yes, this is the kitchen. This is the... now going to deliver milk to all the model Hubbard into the cottage. This is now teaching us to deliver quests. Let's start as always. First, heavy. To hey, you wake up. Wake up. Here you go. First, let's empty one of our gauze here. Let's go get some milk from the cow. Thank you very much. Let's go pick some fruits. And we're going to be in our merry way. I wanted to hit it by purpose. I would not have be able to do that. Oh, tomatoes. Our first tomatoes is ready. And the spices as well. And time is flying as always. And so here, let's plant our seeds, shall we? Let's open the inventory. Look for the seeds. We can actually... oh, don't throw it. As you can see, they have 3 green points for growth and require water as well. So let's pick our watering can and just water them. And they're going to be big rain. And you also have that poop bucket here. Let's fertilize it. But what happens, the fertilizer don't really improve quality, it make it go faster. As you see, they have 3 green grows. When I put it, fertilize it, it goes back to true. So it's going to make it grow 1 day faster. And now that is it. Let's go deliver it before the day is over. It takes this chance. Let's go pass into town and grab more glasses to make a little more money. Told you that the time is you need to look for chickens. Remember that is chicken because they lay eggs every day and you can get those eggs for free. Just like I can feed this piggy this here. And get some free meat. Don't forget to also gift everyone you meet your stuff, your daily water. Sometimes they are gonna tell you about villages and secrets, so do it as much as you want. So there is a brown likes apples. It's a pity the apples are actually very important. So let's not do that. Yeah, I know where I can find them, but I don't want to go there to deliver it. I would gain more friendship, but this is faster. Time passed really fast, and as a child, we don't have as much free time of the day. Here you are. She's the one require milk. Mission complete. And now I brought my cabbage to her. Me how to make a simple stew. Now for the next I require 5 2 stars, strawberry, and 1 honey. And I don't have it. 2 stars, 4 stars, 4 2 stars, carrots, and then this simple stew, probably 2 star as well. Now we are here. I think there is nothing else to do right here. It's time to actually go up here because here we have another family. And still don't matter one of them. Is she here? No, it's not. She's not here. Find them later. Now here into the southern part of the condo west, you have the burial grounds. I have 2 people that is kind of important to increase the affinity as soon as possible. One is easy, the other is not. Let's have Jacob here. He's not the easy one to increase, as you can see. He is neutral. Even giving him some stuff, it'll take a longer time to actually increase affinity. But we have another one here. It's a little bit sadder. If I can spoil you. It is down here. Ginger nut. She started with a golden amount of affinity. Do you wonder why? She's so kind that she already allowed me to get her stuff here. So this blueberry that I have here can actually get it. I'll try to get it. Because we have an important choice and she is normally the main choice you're going to do. It is going to end it and I have not going everywhere yet. Yeah, this time I'll be able to actually get home before I fell asleep. Let's try to get the last money here and pass out. There we go. I'm going to fall down any moment now. Let's get here some honey. And try. No. Mission failed. There is no punishment for sleeping like this. And a new day is rising. What do you want me to do today, Uncle? Oh, make a cycle. We're going to finally craft something. Use something to eat. I can actually craft some blueberry gems. Let's go so crafting as shall we? Have 2 blueberries, 1 honey, and let's craft. with the honey that I have to cut. I put here. Watch the temperature. Now let's cut the blueberries. Got the other blueberries. Put in. Now just control the temperature. One star. The one. Thank you very much. Now let's go talk with the person to actually craft something. Only with me, I have to get rid of it. I don't think I have anything else to do. Let's go there. Here you are. Now let's talk with them. This guy here gonna allow me to teach me how to make a cycle. But then I require ore, so he's going to give me the mine. Now I can go there, get some materials. That's why I did not go before. Because there was no reason that we have 2 mines here and I had only access to one. So it's making no difference to get the ore before, because I will not be able to actually use it. By the way, you can actually equip the lantern, turn it on, and then put it down. No! Here you go. Thing of all mine. Another thing off. Anyway, yesterday was the big racing and we lost it. Ah, crap. Here we are into the border grounds here. They can deliver the presents to the both of them. Now we are back here. Let's talk with him. I'm going to teach us how to make our tools. Go here and start it. Let's begin with the apprentices. This is the first time the game is gonna allow me to use it for free. After melt your ore, release. Let's blow the ore. the moldy. Now let's see, you have the quality and durability. Let's heat up the ore. And then got more quality. Durability in this case here it shows. I have to hammer the shape of the item. To cool it down. I have to sharpen it. So this the most complex part. Got almost perfect. The 2-star like sickle. Now, a sickle to work about. Some people use it to make money, but that's not easy to do at first because you see the sickle that I just made here. That is 2-star quality. I can sell for 5. However, to use the forge here, I have to pay 5 gold and still do the ore. So unless I can get it 3 stars constantly, it's not worth it to actually do tools here to sell. So for now it's not necessary. But let's talk with our friend Geoffrey here. He has a shovel mode. You should come here and sell your ore if you want. It will worth 1, but since you have to pay 5 to use the forge itself, it's not that good of a deal. Let's make a shovel because I don't have one. Even though that I'm not probably using this for a good amount of time. Don't have the happiness part. I have a king shovel. I think it's also value 5. No, 3. It's even less. Now we're kind of done. Now let's try to make some money. It's good that eating missing here because not slept. They did not got the restock it. Let's sell our honey and our water. Now let's continue getting money on water. Now that we have this sickle, we can look for all those items into the world like dandelions and use it to cut them. So we gain experience with the cycle. It has chance to gain later on seeds or more crops or increase the quality. Now the real grind for cut stuff around it will start. It's complicated, but here you are. And here she asked me for the honey. Correct. I forgot it. Crap. You're at home and let's go. Sleepy for sure. So this is Ngadi. Thanks so much for watching.